Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a mobile data limit on REALME 11. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find mobile network. Inside we want to go for more settings, data usage, then data usage limit. And right here we can set up our limit. First option is to start calculating data usage from, and here you can change when does the limit resets. And I'm gonna set it to the first day of the month. Then we have daily data usage limit. That means it will limit data usage for 1 day. And we can set up the number of limit right here, switch it between megabytes and gigabytes. Then we can change the behavior when data limit is reached. We can receive alert only or receive alert and automatically turn off mobile data when it's used up. Then we have monthly data usage, and it works basically the same way as daily usage. All of the settings are the same, only exception is data warning, so you can adjust the number of it, and also when data limit is reached, change this behavior. And now we can activate data warning and change also amount of data that we'll use and then receive that data warning. And you can also switch it between megabytes and gigabytes, and this will limit your data for entire month. So you can use, for example, 50 gigabytes of data during 1 month, and it will reset on the first day of that specific month. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.